Why?
Because of in army said our only caste is army and our religion is serving to country.
कंफर्म हो गया ना?
अदर देन
नहीं
आर्मी,
देखना।
देश के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
ये
से
तो
देखा
फिर
जाए,
भी
समाज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए, तब आपके कास्ट के प्रति क्या है?
I think everyone is equal.
Okay.
So there is discrimination in our society. So I do not.
What you learn from your grandmother?
Grandmother always tell us about our my father childhood, and he about telling him about hard work, and he was
She was
13-year-old. He went to Mumbai for earning. So
your grandmother.
no, my
Your father. Okay. So your granddaughter support your father.
no tell us about his hard working,
Okay.
and also support to my father that
Okay.
way emotionally.
That's good. How will you spend your time with all your family together?
In generally at a dinner, we spend time and we discuss about our future competitive exam, and our elder tells about his experience.
Okay. Moving to the next question. अगर आपको एनडीए ज्वाइन करने के बाद आप कितनी सैलरी एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, कितनी मिलती होगी?
After IMA or during IMA?
ड्यूरिंग
IMA. During IMA, 56,000.
56,000. How will you expense your salary?
That
खर्च कैसे करेंगे उसे?
so first of all, I will give to my family
Okay.
all of money.
Means first month की सैलरी आप
All of money.
All
of
money.
during.
means you will not
training.
manage your any kind of salary.
During my IMA training,
Hmm.
I will in IMA. I don't require any money.
Okay. After the IMA,
After IMA, I invest more on my education. I want to education more, and I also spend off my daily routine expenses, and I also gave to money for businesses to my father.
okay.
3 crores.
What is your thinking about fixed deposit FD?
I do not know.
You will not
Aware.
okay, you will not have any awareness about FD. Nice. Next question is what about your neighborhood relatives, not your friends, only neighborhood relatives?
Yes, we have neighborhood relative. In I notice.
Did they support you or not?
Yes, support.
They support
I
you.
notice if there is happen any kind of unsituation or a bad thing, they always stand for us. They always, if one time there is fire in my house, always all neighbors suddenly collected one place together and they work what
They help you.
yeah.
ओके. आप किसी ऐसे 2 बुरे सिचुएशन के बारे में बताइए जो आपके नेबरहुड वालों ने आपके साथ की हो.
No, I do not.
अच्छा. अब कोई 3 ऐसी चीज़ों को बताइए जिसकी मदद से आपके नेबरहुड वाले जिसमें आपके नेबरहुड वाले ने मदद की हो. कोई 3 ऐसी बड़ी घटनाओं के बारे में बताइए जो
In
आपके
any
साथ
function, they always support. In any bad situation, they always support. And even if require any money, they support.
की. ओके. दे हेल्प यू फाइनेंशियली आल्सो.
Mm.
ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज जब आपके जीवन में कोई समस्या आती है, प्रॉब्लम आती है, डिफिकल्टीज आती है, तब आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम को किसके साथ शेयर करते हैं?
Whenever I experience a difficulty, I go to discuss and go to tell. Depend on nature of situation or difficulties.
ओके. और अगर आपके लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आए और आप अपनी फैमिली को ना बता सके, ऐसी सिचुएशन आए, तब आप कहाँ जाते हैं शेयर करने के लिए?
I go to my friend to share.
ओके. ऐसी कोई बात आई है अभी तक?
No.
अभी तक नहीं है. आपके पास दोस्तों के अलावा महिला मित्र हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं?
No girlfriend.
No, कोई महिला मित्र
वही
means
जो
girlfriend.
कि केवल अंतर
No
होता है ना।
girlfriend means you do not have any experience about it. एनडीए एग्जाम निकलने के बाद आपकी मैरिज के बारे में आपकी क्या थिंकिंग कब तक होगी क्या करना है?
I personally, I do not think about my marriage.
अच्छा, you do not
I really think about border and
means you
war.
will not marry.
No, I am not saying. And this time I do not say anything about it.
Okay. Do
I
you
do not
believe in
have-
love marriage or arranged marriage?
I believe in love.
Love marriage. Why? And why did not believe in arranged marriage?
Because in arranged marriage, if we see traditionally, they forced to arranged marriage innovate child marriage.
Okay. But nowadays
They are different kind of person, and you get his marriage and he or she do not know about him before. So this is not matchable.
Okay.
I
And
think.
what about your what you were thinking about love marriage?
Love marriage, I think first of all they respect each other and they are standing their self. So I prefer.
Nowadays we got the news that love marriage have more divorce than arranged marriage.
I think divorce is a nice thing because in arranged marriage, in suffer daily life and daily fighting each other better than divorce.
ओके. अरेंज मैरिज आपकी नज़र में अच्छा था, लेकिन आज के समय में लव मैरिज आपके लिए अच्छा था आपकी नज़र में, फिर भी लव मैरिज वाले ही ज़्यादा डाइवोर्स करते हैं और उन्हीं के साथ घटनाएं सुनने को मिलती हैं. इसके बारे
This
में
is
आपका
personally, this is a two-person
ओके
mutual
ओके.
understanding.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज
इसमें पक्का नंबर होगा लेकिन नाम नहीं पता
आपने कोई रोल मॉडल रहे हैं?
In defense, my role model is Brigadier Kuldeep Singh and Sam Manik Bahadur.
Why?
Because both are courageous, fearless, and leadership and livelihood during war. And in 1947, when India faced many Longewala war, there are very few soldiers available, but Brigadier, that time Major Kuldeep Singh, take initiative, and without fear he operates his soldier and he fought that war and he won.
ओके. किसी ने अभी तक आपको इंस्पायर किया हुआ है और कैसे?
पता नहीं नाम नहीं
क्या किसी ने अभी तक आपको इंस्पायर किया है? किसी से इंस्पायर नहीं हुए आप, या फिर आपके टीचर हो, या फिर आपके जैसे सैम मानिक साहब की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
Inspiration,
हाँ.
I take everyone to inspiration,
ओके
not specific in.
ओके ठीक. आप अपने टीचर से कैसे इंस्पिरेशन लिए हैं? किसी एक घटना के बारे में बताइए कि आप बहुत
In
ज़्यादा
teaching,
inspired हैं.
in teaching, my Sandeep sir teach me as a friendly. I understand
नहीं
that, and I also apply on when I teach to my younger brother.
ओके ठीक है. आपने कहा कि आप क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं या फिर खेलते थे और कैप्टन भी बने हैं, तो क्रिकेट के बारे में आपकी क्या जानकारी है उसके बारे में बताइए.
Cricket
क्रिकेट के बारे
rules
में
or
रूल्स वगैरह उसके बारे में, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम एंड व्हाट एवर यू नो अबाउट क्रिकेट.
Indian cricket team.
ओके.
Indian cricket team this time men's captain ODI and Test is Rohit Sharma and T20 captain is Surya Kumar Yadav, and cricket female women's is captain Harmanpreet Kaur. Three format Test, ODI and T20 all format.
Tell me any 3 क्रिकेट रूल्स. किसी 3 क्रिकेट के रूल के बारे में बताइए.
There is a 6 ball in 1 over.
ओके.
Yes. If hit ball and you take catch without touch on ground, so you got out.
ओके.
And if you cross the line of 1 meter, that ball is no ball.
ओके ठीक. Why did you join the defense? आप डिफेंस में क्यों ज्वाइन होना चाहते हैं?
Since my childhood, I want to join defense forces. I want to become warrior, like Sam Bahadur, Manik Shah, Major Kuldeep, Brigadier Kuldeep, and all of this. And defense, I want to live life full of purpose, dignity, and honor. Defense provides all of this, so I choose.
ओके, अगर आप डिफेंस में क्वालिफाइड नहीं हुए, एसएसबी क्लियर नहीं हुआ, तब क्या करेंगे?
I would like to give another exam of defense, and after that, I would like to go DRDO,
DRDO.
where I can use my skill and knowledge to enhance the technology in defense.
Okay, something about DRDO.
DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization. Now chairman is Samir.
Who is
His
Samir?
Samir, Dr. Samir.
Okay, you should register.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
The main purpose of DRDO, when the DRDO was inaugurated in 1958, the main purpose of DRDO is manufacturing domestic equipment, crafts, fighter jet, and reduce dependency on other countries.
Okay. Which technology? Sorry. आर्मी की टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, what do you think about the technology of army?
Technology
It is
of
good, bad, average, and what?
average, I think average.
Why it is average? Because Indian army is the bravest army in the world.
Yes,
It is how bad.
Indian army is bravest army in the world because of his hope,
Okay.
his stamina.
Okay.
But in technology, we are average because of the world is going in artificial intelligence, robotic. They are making robotic soldier, but this time we are not doing.
Okay. Means Indian army is not so
Not making robotics.
क्षमता
soldier.
नहीं है कि वो इस तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजी यूज कर पाए इंडियन आर्मी.
No, Indian army can use in future, I think.
But nowadays they are not.
They are not using.
eligible. Okay. Do you like any weapon? You are coming in defense, so you should know about
Yes.
Which
So AK-47.
AK-47. Tell me about AK-47.
AK-47 designed or manufactured by Russia, Soviet Union that time in 1947. That's why that his name is AK-47 because of and AK-47 is comfortable in a war. You reload immediately and the per minute capacity of AK-47 is 4200 in practically
Okay. 4200.
depending on situation.
Okay. Nice. What is your political interest? Political interest के बारे में बताइए, है कि नहीं?
Political interest, I do not have a specific political interest, but I follow politics as a neutral.
Why you do not have any interest in politics?
My main interest in army because
Okay, your goal is clear that you do not have move anywhere, but you follow the politics.
yes,
Why? And how?
because I should know about what is doing and what they are making about our future because our future is depend on policy.
Okay. How would you play your responsibility to your family, about your family? आप अपने फैमिली के प्रति रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैसे निभाएंगे?
रिचार्ज चार्ज खत्म होने वाला है बैटरी का
कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
23%.
In future or this time?
फ्यूचर.
In future, I ensure my parents illness during his 60-70 year. I ensure security and health, and I also ensure my brother education and his businesses.
Okay. अगर आप किसी सिचुएशन में फंसते हैं तो उससे निकलने की कोई स्ट्रेटजी बताइए, कैसे आप निकल पाएंगे किसी भी सिचुएशन से?
First, I keep myself calm, and I notice in a after that I take initiative to how what to do and how to do.
Okay. Means you do not have any plan if suddenly
But
you face any problems.
I do not know what problem can come.
चलिए मैं आपको एक सिचुएशन देता हूँ, प्रॉब्लम देता हूँ, आप बताइए क्या करेंगे उस टाइम पे। अगर आप रोड पे चल रहे हैं और अचानक से किसी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, देन व्हाट यू विल डू?
First of all, I call ambulance
ओके
and I take initiative and check his what saying numbs and I take his first medical what he require. If he wants water, I will give.
ओके
So
ओके। अगर किसी ज़रूरतमंद को आप देखते हैं तो आप उसको किस तरीके से मदद करेंगे? ज़रूरतमंद को किस तरीके से मदद करेंगे?
basis on his need.
ओके
If there is a child, I want to he should educate nicely.
ओके। आपके संविधान, आपकी क्या राय है संविधान के बारे में? टेल मी अबाउट द थिंकिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ योर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
Our constitution is very nice, depending on equality and also giving fundamental rights to us. Freedom Act
Can you tell
of
me
speech.
about how many fundamental rights we have?
6, I think.
Do you remember that or not? Okay, no problem. Okay, continue. About your constitution.
Constitution gives us fundamental right, freedom of speech, where we want to go, and burning putlas and buying lands in India anywhere. So
Okay. What do you think about your freedom fighters? Would they impress you or not?
yes,
Yes. Tell me about your freedom fighters.
in freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, I am most impressed by him.
Why?
Because when he came in India in 1915, so there is no collecting effort towards freedom.
Okay.
So he left his all luxury and he decided to wear cloth like a farmer.
Okay.
So his leadership impressed me.
Okay. You tell that in 1957 or 1857,
And 1950,
uh,
he came
he came
from South Africa.
South Africa. What he did in South Africa? Why he live in South Africa?
He went to South Africa in 1919 purpose of a case.
Okay.
So he noticed there a problem, inequality between Indians and British. He decided to protest and improve.
Okay. Tell me about Mahatma Gandhi and your freedom fighter.
Freedom.
महात्मा गांधी के बारे में.
Mahatma Gandhi, I'm not specific on. So,
महात्मा गांधी
I
के
gave
बारे-
him.
Okay. ठीक. No problem. महात्मा गांधी impressed you. Okay. What are you thinking about Indian education system?
This time in Indian education system is average, but there is need to improvement in the specific area. Indian education system teach to how to memorize, how to learn specific chapter things. There is need to improve how to thinking, critical thinking, how to become leader. I think main focus on that. And
If you get the chance to change the education system, then what you will do? First 5 things to change.
I will train first of all teacher how to teach,
Okay, very good.
and also I will provide resources.
Okay,
I ensure कि there is practical and skillful knowledge.
Okay.
And I also set up library and lab
okay,
for practical.
okay. Nice, nice things. What about the online education system in India? What do you think about it?
Online education is a very nice platform to learn from home. So this is beneficial for who have very less money, who want to learn, who want to learn everything. So he can.
Means online education system is good.
Easy.
Okay. What is the condition of world about war?
At this time, there is two war between first Israel and Hamas, Palestine, Gaza, and second is Russia or Ukraine, Syria.
Okay. I just want to know army chief staff who is
Army Chief Staff is this time Upendra Dwivedi.
who?
Upendra Dwivedi,
Upendra Dwivedi. Okay.
Army Chief Staff.
Ex chief army
Ex Chief Army Anil Chauhan.
Anil Chauhan.
No, Manoj Pandey.
Okay.
I am sorry.
Then who is Anil Chauhan?
Anil Chauhan is CDS,
CDS. What
Chief
is
of
C-
Defense.
Chief of Defense. Okay. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Modi, Mr. Modi.
Mr. Narendra Modi.
I
Okay.
am sorry.
Okay, no problem. Do you know about him?
Yes.
Tell me something.
He has very nice skill how to communicate. He has a very nice leader, and he started his journey from Gujarat,
Okay.
and he became Gujarat Chief Minister. After that, he fought election in 2015 for Prime Minister.
2014.
2014, and he won. After that, he contested his third term.
Okay. He's become.
His third term.
He became the Prime Minister in third.
No. This is constitutive win of third term.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. What is the 3 good things of Prime Minister?
His communication skill,
Okay.
his leadership,
Okay.
and his future thinking.
Okay. What is the 2 worst thing about your Prime Minister? Or he should improve?
No,
You do not have.
I do not appropriate to that my
Okay.
Prime Minister.
Okay. No problem. Who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu. Something about her?
He is from a scheduled caste tribe. So he is also a before this he is governor of
इसके जैसा है
West
ना?
Bengal.
She was the governor.
Shivaji, governor of West Bengal, and she belongs to scheduled tribe. So our government want to improve inequality in scheduled tribes and scheduled caste in our society.